Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of the wallpaper changing each and every time you open up your phone on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So the first step of the operation would be unlocking the phone. Then you have to go to settings and find the wallpaper and style. Here, press the change wallpapers and scroll down until you see wallpaper services. Here, press the little arrow here and select the none option and press apply. Now, if we lock the phone and unlock it, as you can see, the wallpaper stays the same and doesn't change. If you consider the video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.